This is a brand new 2015 Volvo XC60. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, steering wheel controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Volvo Center is located at 1326 Northeast Loop 410 in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.